Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Vauxhall remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is get our flat-headed screwdriver, and just in the indentation just there, we paste the blade of the screwdriver in, we push down and twist slightly, which will release the two halves of the case. Let me just demonstrate. Just like that, which splits the two halves. Now what we need to do is we just get our fingers and thumbs in and we just split open the two halves of this case. And there you go, there is your key fob battery. We just need to remove it from its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it all back together. Make sure the cases are all lined up. We just click it in place. And now we just need to pop the two halves back together. There you go, clicks in place and it's all done.